Hey guys, welcome to Natural Hair Dynamics. This is Candy, and if it's your first time watching, I'm super duper appreciative of you taking the time to click on the video, and I'm just asking you to go ahead and subscribe so that you can see past and future videos to come. If you are an oldie but goodie, welcome back. Today, of course, is another crochet braid video, another banger, yes. And today we're doing the individual crochet method with this faux locks, yes. And I already started the process, as you can see. So I am braiding up her hair, starting by doing a braid at the root for maybe 1.5 inches, and then once I'm done braiding that portion of the hair, then what I will do is I will just seamlessly transition into a 2-strand twist, which I find to be way easier than braiding all the way down, because for me braiding takes longer than twisting. But you want to have that firm foundation at the root. That's a must. That's mandatory that you braid it at the root so that the hair has a secure foundation to attach the faux locks to. All right. And I'm being careful to twist the hair to the very end, just to protect her strand so that there's no unnecessary breakage. Yes. And what you see me adding to her roots is some Let's Jam, and that's just to help to smooth down the roots so that the hair is nice and sleek. All right, so from another angle, I'm showing you guys the braiding process once more. Pretty much is the same process, the same technique over and over again until the entire hair has been braided, starting off with my braid and then transitioning seamlessly into a 2-strand twist, being careful to twist it all the way to the very end. And for me, guys, I do not cut corners when doing the foundation of any style, regardless of the fact that this part of the hair will not be visible. I just instinctively always put my best foot forward in ensuring that the hair is neat. And you will see what I mean when I'm done, because literally she could have walked out here with her natural hair twisted and rock it as a style, because we don't cut corners around here. And I also am going to link down below one of the videos that I did previously showing you guys how I achieve a full looking braid style, the importance of the positioning of the hair, and how it affects the outcome of the style. And I'm right here showing you guys the fact that I am properly moisturizing her hair, especially because her hair will be locked away within the faux locks, you do not want to start off the style dry, because then it's going to be super duper dry once she removes the faux locks from her hair. You do not want that. Alright guys, so phase 1 is all done. Her entire hair has been braided up, and now we're ready to move on to the next and the most important step, which is attaching the faux locks to her hair. But first, yes, I have to go in with my One True Natural, which is my own brand guys, a shameless plug. Our Shine of My Nourishing Oil blend is an amazing blend of a perfectly curated blend of natural oils that is amazing for the hair and the scalp, to keep the hair nice and nourished, to ensure that the scalp doesn't get overly dry, and to alleviate any instances of dandruff, and to just to lock in the moisture throughout the period of time that she will be wearing her protective style. I will definitely leave the link down below to my shop page in case you're interested in getting it. It's amazing. Just saying. All right, so this is the hair, you guys, and this is from Amazon, from Sam Braid. Sam Braid is the vendor, and I believe we got the 30 inches, 7 packs. Well, you know that Amazon sells their, most of the times they sell the hair in packages with a number of packs, so this package comes with 7 packs. So I'm going ahead and inserting the crochet tool at the base of her hair, attaching the loop of the faux lock, pulling it through, attaching the end of her hair, closing the latch hook and pulling that through the loop, and then you pull either piece of the hair, her hair and the faux lock to tighten. Then we're going to start what I call as the wrapping process, and in order to do so, even though the faux lock is already wrapped, I lightly, slightly, ever so gently loosen the faux lock, and as I loosen a piece, I wrap it around her hair, so it's literally just hugging her hair, you guys. And believe me, it will not loosen, it won't be removed, her hair won't come through the lock. And a matter of fact, I can tell you that this doesn't happen with every brand or every type of faux lock. It all depends, and you guys would have to, you know, either make an assessment as to which brands or which type of lock works perfectly for the individual method. Not all of them do, but this one works perfectly. All right, so that's lock number 1. Lock number 1, you guys. All right, again, inserting the crochet tool at the base, attaching the loop, closing the latch hook, pulling it through, attaching the end of to the hook, pull it through and pull. Then we're starting the wrapping, and the motion of the wrapping is similar to twisting. You're pretty much just, you know, overlapping the lock here with the her here. But at the same time that you're wrapping it, you're loosening the locks slightly. As you can see, the hair actually looks as if it's growing out of her scalp. You would never dream that this is a crochet look. Yeah. And for good measure, up close and personal, you guys can see the process another time. But this time you guys are gonna talk through the process. So talk through the process and let us see if you guys got it. I'll be quiet, you guys talk through. Yay, you guys did it. You guys are officially crochet braid pros. Yes, you did it. All right, so believe it or not, we are almost done. Only 3 braids remaining, and we're gonna just get those done, and the style is finito. Done. Capiche? Side note, have you guys watched 24? It's my favorite movie, or my favorite series to watch while working. I'm just sad that I'm on the 7th season, so it's gonna be done soon, but hey, it was fun while it lasted. Check it out, 24. Old series, but good nevertheless. Alright guys, so I'm just finishing off with some mousse. This is the Cream of Nature Argan Oil mousse. Yes, my favorite. Love the smell. And this just helps to, you know, give a tad bit more shine and just to sleek down any flyaways, which to be honest this here doesn't have any flyaways, but hey, I'm here for the smell. Alright, but thank you guys so much for watching. It was a pleasure having you. Be careful to stick and stay, and I would love it if you could hit the subscribe button, comment, share, like, and become a part of the fam bam. Alright, until next time, remember, walk good, stay blessed, and stay safe. Much love until the next one. Peace.